Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name's Rob. Feedbackwrench is my channel. Now, I'm all about entrepreneurship, book, and then I have been helping people pursue what I call my outsourced accountant model. I end up doing a ton of websites and pay-per-click advertising to help bookkeepers, accountants, CPAs, and tax firms that want to build a profitable, successful business. We build websites, we run advertising campaigns, and I built my own firm. Before this, I sold out of it to start Feedbackwrench. If you're an accounting student, I just want to encourage you a little bit. If you're an accounting student and you're trying to figure out what you want to do as you move forward, doggone it, the year is 2020. Okay, something that your professors and your teachers don't have a clue about, more than likely, is what it looks like to be in the kind of the side gig hustle game, or how to build your own small business. Maybe something that's even big. It could be small, and then it could get big. Your professors don't know anything about this. Accountants, by their nature, are people who are highly organized, who think process, who tend to look at costs rather than value, and you might be hardwired that way. So you may be entering your accounting field, and all you're doing is you're looking at the possibility of working at maybe one of the big four firms. Maybe you've got a regional firm that you want to go work for. Maybe you're going to be a corporate accountant and you want to go work in a big organization. First of all, that can be a great career path. Don't ignore that. That being said, there is an entrepreneur opportunity when it comes to bookkeeping, accounting, payroll, taxes, and all of that is under the umbrella of being an accountant. And watch my other videos. It's about being an outsourced accountant. But here's what I want you to know. Okay, I'm going to be putting out more and more videos about this because it's valuable and it's not that complex. Okay, an accountant is basically going to go out there and going to get technical skills to be precise, disciplined, and bring process, but ultimately is going to make sure that the accounting is done well, that finances are accounted for, that processes are established and kept, right? And one of the things that you will forget is that one of your primary strengths is establishing a system and a process to tackle difficult bureaucracy, essentially, right? That is huge for entrepreneurs and other businesses in terms of a value proposition, okay? So here's what I want to do. I want to tell you that you should start your own business or your own side gig in the beginning and start your own little firm. And what you will do is you will learn to help them, businesses, B2B. So you're going to help businesses by just doing two things. You're going to make sure that their wealth is maximized. That means making sure that they're saving in taxes, that they're investing properly, that they're doing so much, and that all of the screwing around when it comes to the processing of accounting type things is taken care of. Your main thing is that you can take processes and take those burdens off of an entrepreneur or a business owner or an organization. That has more value to it than what you know. You will always undervalue this because you're actually good at this. But I'm telling you, if you just go out into the market and watch my videos, I show you how to get clients, I'll show you how to do it digitally, I'll show you how to get started, how to evolve once you've been doing it for a while. This is something that more people can do than what they dream. I'm telling you, you can have a cool lifestyle being this outsourced accountant, and it's not the monotonous lifestyle that you kind of hear about in the accounting world. If that interests you at all, watch my videos. I'm not trying to get you to do anything. If you end up getting set up and pursuing this, we'd love to do your digital marketing and your website for you. But otherwise, I just want to encourage you, if you're a student, if you're a bookkeeping, or if you're an accounting student, go get the practical skills of filing taxes, doing bookkeeping within a bookkeeping system like in QuickBooks. Just go learn QuickBooks online. Go figure out how to use their ProConnect tool on Intuit. You could go to the H&R Block or the Jackson Hewitt tax preparation courses that they do, like if you were going to go work for them. The IRS has the annual IRS program. I can't remember what it's called. But you can go get some practical training that'll show you how to do some of this stuff that you can make some serious money in as a side hustle or as a starting job or even as a student. You don't have to sit still. So I want to encourage you, take action. Swing at there's pitches coming your way. There's opportunity, which are like pitches in baseball. And if you start to realize those opportunities are there and you start swinging the bat, you will start hitting some. But sitting around and educating yourself to the tilt is not what's going to get you there. Being in the know and educating yourself and then trying to execute is going to be a world of difference. So go try things. Try to start your own gig, and good luck in whatever you end up doing. I hope nothing but the best for you.